Hey there, it's Veronica. I am so excited to show you how to use these three powerful tools I created just to help you to take action and gain momentum in your business. You've got the booked playbook right here. You've got the profit booster PDF. And of course, you've got Nisha, the niche matchmaker. Let me walk you through how they work together. First up is the profit booster. Think of it as your giant menu of opportunities. Inside are 100 industries, and each industry has 10 sub-industries where bookkeepers can thrive for a total of 1,000 industries, or if you can think of it like niches that you can choose from. Here's what I want you to do. Scan through and highlight a few that catch your eye and don't overthink it. Just circle the ones that feel interesting to you or that you already have some experience with, and that is your starting point. Next is Nisha, the niche matchmaker. This is just not any chatbot. Nisha has been personally trained by me using the strategies that I teach inside of Booked and the Profit Booster. If you already have some niche ideas, Nisha will help to narrow them down, show you which have the most profit potential, and even suggest sub niches. And if you have no idea where to start, that is okay. Nisha can guide you from scratch and help you discover niches that fit your goals and strengths. She can also give you a direct outreach approach and even script what you say when you connect with people. It is like having your own personal niche and strategy coach right at your fingertips. You just click and it starts to ask you questions. And you just follow along with the prompt, answer them as best as you can. She gives you some guidelines. Now think of it this way. I trained Nisha. And so it's like having me as your coach right here. And just don't worry, you cannot break it. You can see all the prompts. Click the one that fits you best at that stage that you're in, and she will prompt you with the next questions. And then comes Booked. This playbook gives you real outreach scripts and client getting strategies that are tested and proven. The most important thing is that you do not need to do every strategy. Just choose one or two that fit you best and stick with them. Booked also comes with tons of bonuses to help you stay consistent and make progress no matter which strategy you choose. So here is your action plan. Step one, pick three niches from the Profit Booster. Step two, chat with Nisha, the niche matchmaker. Whether you already have ideas or none at all, she will help you choose the best fit and give you outreach scripts. In step three, choose one or two strategies from Booked, grab a script and send it today. One script, one conversation, one step forward. This is how you build momentum. I am so proud to have created these tools for you, and I cannot wait to see how you use them. Your next client is already out there waiting for someone who understands their industry. Now it's your turn to reach out and make that connection. Go and take some imperfect action.